In this video, we're going to give you a full tour and review of the Yacht Club of the MSC Grandiosa, including all of the outdoor spaces, the pool, the sun deck, the Yacht Club restaurant, the Topsail lounge, as well as afternoon tea and the captain's party. We are Savor in Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. We will be doing additional videos of the Grandiosa, including a full ship tour as well. Upon arrival on Embarkation Day, there is a separate tent for the Yacht Club guests to drop off their luggage, where you are escorted directly into the lounge area, where you'll meet a couple of the butlers, be given a first glass of Prosecco and some cookies and whatnot. That's where they will check you in. They'll also give you your wristband, and that's what you can use to get into your room, so you don't need to carry your room key with you unless you're leaving the ship completely. Really comfortable space. We were there in and out within about 10 minutes. We actually boarded the ship really early. Our boarding time wasn't until about 2 o'clock, but we were able to get on board about 10 or so in the morning. So don't worry about what it says on your boarding pass. So yeah, they'll take you straight from the Yacht Club right to deck 6. This is where we got our first view of the promenade, which was absolutely gorgeous. And again, they'll take you straight to your muster station, get that out of the way, and then they took us up to deck 16, which is where the Yacht Club was, and they gave us a quick tour, and we got our welcome beverages, and that's where we met our butler for the first time, and then he took us to our room, which I will show you at the end of the video. To get into the Yacht Club area, you need to have your, like I said, your room key or your wristband to open through the doors. Right on the deck 16, you've got your concierge area, leads right into the Topsail lounge. A super, super comfy lounge. Loved it. Loved all the seats at the bar. Very well stocked. You've also got your snacks during the day, as well as the morning and evening, which I will show as well throughout this video. The bartenders were incredible. Really any drink that you wanted, and pretty much everything was included. Some of them may be higher end drinks, but really anything that we wanted, we didn't want for anything on this cruise at all. Top-notch service, incredible bartenders all the way through. The Yacht Club Lounge, they do have live music every night, about 6 o'clock until about midnight. We really enjoyed Rafaela and her partner here. They were fantastic if you get a chance to see them. There also was a pianist that played, and they alternate about hour and a half sort of shifts. Yacht Club, very, very comfortable. Lovely space right at the front of the ship, where you got to watch the sunset each night, watch the sailaways. Tons of space. We never felt crowded in there. Very comfortable. And right above it, you can see there is the restaurant, which we will go to in a moment. And here's the first view of the Swarovski stairs. Several different types of seating in the Yacht Club as well. You've got sort of some couch seating for larger groups, much bigger couches in sort of the back area, as well as your just comfy chairs for a party of 2. You can just sit there during the day, hang out, read, again, watch the sunset. In the evening, really chill music, really lovely space. We definitely was a place where we would go and hang out, certainly before dinner and many nights after dinner. Cannot say a negative word about the Yacht Club. Top notch. So in the breakfast time, they have sort of a continental breakfast, snacks every single morning. It didn't really change from day to day. A little bit of yogurt, sort of the donuts and that sort of thing. You can go there and they'll serve you coffee, any beverage that you want right there in the Yacht Club. You can also go upstairs to the restaurant or the outdoor grill, which I will show in a moment. Throughout the day, there were all kinds of fantastic snacks in the Yacht Club, and that's one of our favorite parts about this type of ship. On the real Europa, they did not have the snacks that you could just sort of pick and choose as you wanted, and they really varied. It was nice. There was sort of savory snacks. There was arancini balls with some marinara, little cheese. There was always olives and sort of little stuffed peppers, little sandwichy snacks. There was tons of little fruits as well, and nuts. And of course the chips or crisps, however you want to say that, they change daily, different flavors. We love the wasabi crisps and the jamon flavor. Not the biggest fan of the truffle flavor, to be honest, but to each his own. And of course you've got the fantastic chocolates, grab and go. You may or may not have come home with a couple of handfuls of those. Yeah, they switch those out about every 3 hours. Usually it looked like about noon, 3, 6 o'clock. And at 9 o'clock, then they would bring out the evening snacks, and those tended to be more of the fantastic chocolates. You've got some of your Venki chocolates there. Super crowd pleaser on those with some chocolate covered strawberries, not to be missed. So upstairs we go to the 19th deck. There is no deck 17. It is considered unlucky in the Italian culture, so we skipped over 18. We'll come back to that. But here is the sun deck. Nice pool, decent depth on it, about 4.5 feet deep. They do keep it at 28 degrees. The hot tub they keep at 37 is what they told us. Plenty of space on this deck, and not a lot of people that were just saving chairs either. You don't see that sort of coming down at 7 o'clock in the morning saving chairs. There was one hot tub there, and then you've got 3 cabanas that can be reserved. One is always reserved for the Royal Suite. The other one you can reserve once per week, and it is free. You just need to go to the concierge and let them know. On the sea day, they did have a sort of beverage cart coming around, making their beverage of the day, which was lovely. And they did have a DJ as well, playing some nice soft sounds. Continuing through the back end of the sun deck here, there was a smoking area to your left there, and then through those doors you can go right out to the rest of the ship. Tons of different kinds of seating here as well. We love these little couch area here, but plenty of loungers as well. Usually they did have the towels already on them. They did come around a couple of times, the staff, and offered to clean our sunglasses and our reading glasses, which was a nice touch. And they did bring around each day after lunch some different flavors of gelato, so cannot beat that. The outdoor grill is sort of on the other side there, still on deck 19. They serve breakfast, lunch, and afternoon tea from 4 to 6. That rotated daily. Love the staff. There's Atul, very, very friendly, and Eric right behind him there. You can get anything you want. They've got a couple different servers that were there to help us daily, bringing out snacks. They'll bring your food out to you as well. Anything that you've ordered from the buffet, you can actually, if you didn't want to help yourself, they would bring it to you. So the outdoor grill at breakfast, they've got a nice selection, pretty much a full English there of the hot items. You can get sort of your baked beans, your sausage, bacon, roasted tomatoes, and then you've got your pastries and sort of your salady stuff, your smoked salmon, smoked fish, and then you've got your cereals and your oatmeal, and a lovely spread of sort of fruits and yogurts and smoothies. That was kind of the same every day for breakfast. They will do any eggs to order that you'd like with toast. At lunch, they had about 8 to 10 different hot items that would rotate daily. Everything from sort of a butter chicken to a lamb stew. They also have hot dogs, pasta of the day, and burgers that they'll make to order, and they'll bring it right out to your table. They also had a carving station each day. Here we've got some roasted lamb, which was my husband really enjoyed. They also will do freshly prepared. You can choose different days. They had sort of steak or fish or grilled shrimp, and they'll prepare that fresh for you as well upon order. And then you've got your salad station. They did have ranch, blue cheese, Caesar dressing, which we were very appreciative of. The salad station changed a bit every day, kind of standard, but a little different items, as well as you've got your fruits and your desserts. Again, here's sort of another shot at some of the different items. They always had a starch, rice, several different kinds of meat. They always had a couple different fish. Again, here we've got some roasted chicken, roasted veg. They had some French fries as well. Again, another selection of the salad bar. Really friendly staff too. Anything that you wanted, they would make for you, or they'd go get it if they didn't have it behind the already on selection. They also did have a different soup of the day, which was nice. And then at tea time in the afternoon from 4 to 6, they had just a handful of sort of snackies, some sweets. They had some cheese bread. It was not the pizza that they serve in the restaurant. It was a little bit more like a cheese bread. And then some fruit, and then some savory bites. So if you've just come back from an excursion, or you just want to have a little snack before dinner, and then they've got some cookies as well. So the Yacht Club restaurant is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner up on deck 18, right up those gorgeous stairs. The menu for breakfast is the same every day. That lunch and dinner, it does change daily. I will show you a couple sample menus here in a minute, but they do not require any reservation for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They've got seating for parties of 2, 4, 6, even larger parties. Gorgeous view out the front of the ship. Again, watching the sail away, or the sunset. They do have a couple of high chairs as well, so they do accommodate children. Very, very comfortable, and the staff does get to know you, your preferences. They always ask if you have any allergies, and they will go out of their way to accommodate you in any way, shape, or form. Again, here are a couple of the menus. There are a couple of items at lunch that are available every single day. You can get a Caesar salad, a burger, pasta, and at dinner, again, there's a couple of items, the chicken breast, the salmon, and the steak you can get every single day. I am going to make a video of all of the different menus and a lot of the different food coming up, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some additional food and reviews of the items that were served. That tuna steak was incredible. I've had it a couple different times on different ships. That prime rib my husband's had a couple times. The lasagna as well. Really, really nice job. The afternoon high tea, they do 1 day per trip. Before they had done it only on a sea day. On ours, they did not. They did it just on a random, I think it was a Thursday. That's from 4 to 5. And you just show up inside the Topsail lounge. They have an array of loose leaf teas, and they do a fantastic presentation. All kinds of nice little snacks, from savory to sweet, clotted cream, kind of everything that you would hope for, and get your Insta pictures. They serve it with champagne. It got very busy, but certainly plenty of room for everybody, and they just really do a nice job. And they time the tea for you depending on how how strong you want it, and then they have the entertainment from the night come and do a small set for you. The captain's party is on the same night as the gala night. Great opportunity if you want to get a photo with the captain or some of the senior staff, as well as with your butler. They do a nice tribute to really all the staff, kitchen staff, butlers. Really nice toast, and they brought out some nice snacks as well. Here's a great elevator hack for you. If you want to be able to bypass the other floors, if you're going all the way down outside of the yacht club to deck 6 or 7, when you first walk up, you need to put your wristband on that little sort of handicap circle there. It will ask you what floor you want to go to, and it'll direct you to which elevator bay. This one was elevator A. When you get in, immediately you need to do that again. You need to put your wristband onto the card reader before anybody else clicks one of the buttons. Push the floor you want to go to, and it will say exclusive, and it will take you directly there, no matter how many other people are in the elevator. We did surprise a few people. They went for a ride they weren't expecting. Here is a quick shot of the interior Yacht Club suite on deck 16. I do have a full video of this suite as well, so don't hesitate to check that one out. Very comfortable, lots of space, much bigger than we thought it was going to be. And then here is also the Deluxe balcony suite, a very quick peek at that as well. And again, I do have a video of that on the channel, which I will put at the end of the video here for you. Both very, very comfortable rooms, just a matter of sort of preference and obviously cost on those two. Love both the rooms. Room service is included in either of the Yacht Club rooms, any or all, 24/7. And you also get to pick a bottle of liquor from a list, liquor or wine that you can have during your stay, and if you do not finish it, take it with you home. We took the Belvedere, thank you very much for that. And of course, the Venki chocolates are the best part of the Yacht Club, and we got our fill of those left for us after dinner, during turn-down service, and on the last night of the ship, you do get a small box to take with you. I hope you've enjoyed this very quick video. Hope to see you out on the high seas. Thanks again. We are Savor in Style. Be safe. Thanks again. Bye-bye.